Hello po, good day. Panito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DSi regular. Pink variant natin. Sa our stylus, nasa likod lang po siya. Ano natin. So this order naman is going to Rojas City, Capiz. Now, access lang po natin, open lang po natin yung icon na to to also access our games. Pakita ko lang din first yung charging ng inyong unit. So once you plug your charger just between these two lights, magkakaroon po tayo ng orange light. So this indicates that our unit is charging. Then for our buttons naman, so our LR button, yung ating ABXY, directional buttons natin, select start, and then our touch key. Now, load ko lang this time yung ating mga games naman. So, for your order, this has over 300 or around 400 plus games na naka-install. Aside from yung mga game request niyo, of course, we have added a few other games para ma-fully maximize natin yung memory space niya. So, access ulit natin yung Alex Rider na icon. And then, back lang tayo. And access natin this time yung ating DS Games folder. So for your requested games, nilagay po namin siya sa separate folder which has game request showing on it para madali rin po ninyo ma-access yung mga games na nirequest po ninyo. But of course, you can also check other games we have. Napasort alphabetically po yung ating mga games. For example, for this folder, P2R, nandito yung mga Pokemon games din natin. Phoenix Wright, yeah. Hindi po siya magkasya sa isang page. You just need to click on the R button sa likod naman. So we are still at letter P. Then this is up until R. Now to go back yung ating L button naman sa likod. Now let's open one of your requested games this time. Ano pa yung mga top game request niyo? So I'll also be sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. Wait na natin na mag-load completely yung ating mga game. So okay na po yung inyong item, buddy. Papack na lang po namin ito and then wait na lang din namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Alright, thank you po and happy gaming!